Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to make a really simple air freshener to keep in my linen closets. I use these Unstoppable scent boosters in the Lush scent. It's basically just like a lavender scented scent booster. This is what I wash all my bedding in. So I'm going to take just a couple of these and pour them in this mason jar. You can use any size you want. This is just what I happen to have, so this is what I'm going to use. Then I have, this is a cupcake liner that I just popped a couple holes in the bottom. I'm going to take this and just put it over the top of my mason jar. I'm going to take my ring and just push that down right on it just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and put this right in my linen closet, and it's going to keep my linen smelling really fresh and really clean for months while they sit in my linen closet, possibly being unused. I like to do the same thing with my towel closets in my bathrooms, or maybe even keeping one of these under the bathroom sink, wherever kind of you're wanting to hide them away to keep things fresh or smelling good. These work awesome. I keep these in all of my closets in my house with my kids' clothes, our clothes. You could even pop a smaller version of this in a dresser drawer if you wanted to, but this is awesome and they keep things smelling really fresh and really clean. And because you have that cupcake liner on top, it doesn't matter if it gets dumped or tipped, it's going to stay all in here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video.